Yeah, thank you. Happy Women's Day, by the way. I just wanted to tell you that we are always awesome. So, that is what the important thing. So, let me just tell you my topic. So, my topic is all about unlock productivity, mastering PowerPoint with Copilot. Um, so, Copilot, we all might have come across this particular thing, right? What is Copilot? We all know Copilot, we are using it. So anyhow, I'll just give a small introduction for that as well. Don't worry. So before that, as Smita told, like I'm Microsoft Most Valuable Professional, Microsoft Certified Trainer. Um, so this is I did my doctorate in machine learning. So I'm very curious about machine learning and data science, and so I have completed many certification, and still it's like a lot of certifications in my bucket list. I'll be doing that, and it's a small introduction about me. So if you want me to, if you want to connect with me through LinkedIn, so please you can scan this QR code. So before we proceed, I just wanted to ask you a few queries. Like we all know PowerPoint is a powerful tool, but let's be honest, whether it can also be time consuming to really master it. Because we all are working with PowerPoint, we use PowerPoint in a regular for our regular work. Even if you want to present it for the community event or even in our professional work, even we might be using this always, right? So I hope everyone here are using this. But what if we can streamline the entire process, creating a professional looking presentation with a minimal effort? So that is possible with the help of a copilot. We can unlock a new level of productivity and transform those being decks into presentations that truly impress everyone. So it's not like impressing others, it's like impressing and making our work very creative, so that it'll be easy and it'll be very interactive and an effective way of communicating with others. So and can anyone like send like you can comment, or you can even unmute and tell me like what's one of your favorite PowerPoint feature. You can send me a chat, you can just send it, or else you can unmute and tell me like what is your favorite PowerPoint feature, what you'll be using is often.
Oh, yeah, mostly I like the design feature so that I can just put the bullet points and it can create some nice looking designs out of that.
Great. Thank you, Nandip. So, anybody else would like to answer this question? Like any other presentation which I'm missing might be. Okay. So you can just leave that. Okay, put designer. Yeah, great. It's a great way that. We can use designer in the PowerPoint. I'll also show that designer. Okay, when we are seeing the demo. So we have smart arts to. So my favorite thing is what smart art, which is available in the options, but we can easily use it. We can convert our points, bullet points, into an effective bullets and effective way to communicate. Okay. So this there are various features in PowerPoint which will really amaze us. Okay. And has it anyone here, like almost everyone will be heard, might have heard about Copilot. Okay. So Microsoft Copilot is a suite of AI powered tools designed to enhance productivity and collaborate across various Microsoft products. So we are using a Word, we are using PowerPoint, we using Excel. It's always it's embedded. So the only thing is like if we want to use Copilot, we have to just get the that is we have to get it. Okay, like we have to get the license and then we have to use it. Like I think monthly we have to pay. So even we have that Copilot in our in our browser, which was formerly called as a Bing. Okay, it is already there in the Copilot is there. We can directly access that. So Copilot is used to streamline the task. Like we can summarize the document. It is used to summarize. It can use. It is also used to create a drafts. You can turn your data into a better presentation. And Copilot is used to generate ideas, brainstorm content, create outlines, and receive more suggestions to improve our work. But we should also understand how does this Copilot really works. Okay, so the very first one is it has LLM, which is a large language model. So as its core, Copilot is powered by advanced large language models. These are AI models trained on massive amounts of text data, giving them the ability to understand and generate human quality text. So we are just training with the large language model. This is the first one. I'm talking about the Copilot, okay, which we are using it almost in all the Microsoft products, and as well as there is a Copilot chat is also there, like a Copilot, like a Chat GPT. We have also Copilot. And second important thing which this Microsoft is using to work better is what Microsoft Graph. So Copilot for Microsoft 365 taps into the Microsoft Graph. So this is a vast database that connects your data and information across various Microsoft 365 tools, allowing Copilot to access and understand your work context for more relevant assistance. So how it is giving you the better result is because Copilot is connected with the Graph as well, Microsoft Graph. So that is what. So in this, you can see it is connected with all the insights, groups, devices, emails, collaborations, people, documents, reports, events, and everything. So it is connected with the graph. So, and the third important thing is what it is. It has a natural language processing. So Copilot understands your prompts and instructions in plain language. So you don't need to learn complex coding or syntax. The simple way of talking to Copilot is what English. Even you can also use any regional language. It also reply you with your regional language. So that is also possible because of your natural language processing. So the raw language processing, that is, it will extract the entity, it will create some relationship extractions, and it will classify the topic accordingly, like what you are asking on what topic you are just expecting it, and it also does the sentiment analysis. So these three are the major thing. There is a major thing which Copilot works with. That is your LLM, your Microsoft Graph, and the natural language processing. So I'm going to show you like how to use the Copilot. It's not integrated Copilot with the Microsoft PowerPoint, but how we can talk to Copilot, like how we can use some prompts to get the data, get the best content out from the Copilot. Okay, so that is what I'm going to share. Um, I'll be showing you few thing as well. Okay, so how we can do it. So let's explore the prompts. I am just going to reshare it again. 1 minute, just give me some time. Can you all see my screen again? Is it my Copilot screen is visible?
Yeah, it
Yeah,
is.
thank you. So this is copilot.microsoft.com. So here you can see you have to log in. If you have signed in, your chat history will be recorded. So you can just access it later. Okay, so this is the copilot.microsoft.com. This is the UI for using the Copilot. So here you can see you can write the prompt here in the left side. Sorry, under that, ask me anything. You can just start typing your prompts. I'll be showing you the few prompts which you can use it. You can also find that you can use the microphone if you feel that it's a big text or it's a big paragraph you wanted to give the prompt, but it is really hectic to type. So you can simply use the microphone to type it. So it will convert your voice to text and it will be enter here. So on the right side, let us just explore the UI. On the right side, you can see these are all the Copilot GPTs which we have. That is Copilot. So that is what we are working with. It is like a text. It will also show you some images if you ask. So it is a text. If you wanted to create a image, you can go with the designer. Okay, it's completely image based. And you can find the vacation planner. Okay, so if you wanted to plan your trip in a better way, you can also do that. This is the cooking assistant. So if you want to find the recipe of any food, anything, you can just go ahead with the cooking assistant. And this is a fitness trainer. So it will help you. But my request is what this is not exactly the doctor, but anyhow, it will just give you some inputs. but before consulting with your doctor, don't directly go ahead with this fitness trainer. Other than that, it's fine. Cooking, even if something is going higher, like if we put a lot of salts, that is fine, because it's not a big deal. But if it's a fitness training, so please be aware, because this is a mission. So this is just giving us based on whatever it is, understanding from the other's perspective, and also it is training, it is still in a training phase. So this is what you can log in here. So it will ask you to sign in if you want to save the history. So this is the one. Now let us see few prompts which will be effective for you to create your PowerPoint. So your prompt should be good, and it should be very clear to give some proper result to you. So I'm just giving generate. Okay, I'm just going to type. Okay, so generate a list of 10 most interesting topic. So if you are confused with what is the presentation topic you wanted to choose, interesting presentation topics for anything, like you can give for what you want. If you are going to present it for the college students, then you can type for the college students. If you're going to present it for the experienced people who have more than 10 years of experience in a specific technology, so you can just mention that. I'm just going to put it like latest technologies. Okay, so whatever, so the term you have to use it very clearly. Who are interested in what? So who are interested in what, you can just try if you want to refine that, or else you can just leave it. I'll just refine it in the next thing. So just press enter, so it will just generate sorry. So okay, let us see. I have okay, I have wrongly entered lost of 10 most, but anyhow, it understood what I'm trying to ask. So it is giving me 10 captivating presentation topics, such as artificial intelligence in healthcare, Internet of the Things, cybersecurity, 5G technology. So it is showing me some best top 10. If you are very confused with even the top 10, you can go with the top 5. So the numbers you can change according to your need. Okay, so you can just enter what is it you wanted to ask. So let me just go ahead with that is, I'll just even more refining this, generate a list of top 10 technologies who are interested in data science or machine learning or generative. So you can just refine this even more better. And who are interested in data science, I'm just going with the data science. So if you just, if like how you are giving it, like you have to be you have to brief what you wanted to what you want to get. Okay, you have to tell it very clearly so that it will just give you the best option. So it will give you the predictive modeling, big data analytics, auto machine learning. So this is the third one, which is ethical AI and bias mitigation, and finally computer vision application. So I just wanted to go with the first one, which is predictive modeling. So what I can do, and you can also see that it is showing the reference, okay, from which particular link it got this reference. So it is also showing that if you click that, it will take you to that particular article or wherever it fetched this particular information. So I want to just go with the predictive modeling. So I'm just copying this here and I'm pasting. I'm asking, give me the captivating me the give me the best top titles for predictive modeling. So you're asking for the title, okay? You can ask for the better title, captivating titles related. So predictive modeling, unleashing the power of algorithm, linear regression. So even if you just give it no even if you just go with even more detailed prompt, it will give you some more thing, like for example, predictive analytics in healthcare, or predictive analytics in manufacturing, or predictive analytics in sales. So it will give you even more better results. So how we ask accordingly, it will give you the answer for that. So let me just take predictive modeling, unleashing the power of algorithms. I'm just taking this. So you can just even even more ask for create an outline. Okay, create outline for the presentation about presentation. You can just tell even more like predictive modeling, unleashing the power of algorithm. So it will give you the presentation idea as well. So introduction, what is that? You can tell in introduction, you can define the predictive modeling and its significance in data science and explain how predictive modeling can be used. The next one is you can talk about the types of predictive models. You can go with the data preparation, model selection and evaluation, linear regression, decision trees and random gradient boosting. Even you can just mention like how many slides you want. Okay, so it is showing, I think it will go nearly for 1.5 hours or 2 hours. So you can even more refine this and tell that okay, so this is the power of algorithms. The I need only 5 slides, 5 slides. So how many slides you want, you can just mention this. And it should be for 20 minutes. Okay, 5 or 10 slides, like whatever. So you can just talk about the timing and how many hours you wanted to talk, and what is the timing you are expecting, how many slides you want. So everything you can just give it very clearly. So it is showing you the 20-minute presentation on predictive modeling. Like what is the predictive modeling? So introduce the topic and mention. It is also showing you what is slide-wise topics. Okay, so what you can do is problem specification, key algorithms. This is a slide 4, and it is also showing you the real life case study, which is for the slide 5. So you can add the interaction or something after that. So this is how Copilot can really help you in your work and also to increase your productivity. So you can also further tell about can you, if you wanted to go in detail, like if you don't know how the real life case study will be. So you can ask even more. So you can tell, can you give me the real life case study on, can you give me uh, the real life case study for sales. Okay, so it will show you some real life case studies, like how you can use it. So it will search for the case studies. Anyhow, it will be finding it from the sources which are available. So sales for content marketing. So how you can use it. So here you no need to worry about the plagiarism or even the copywriting, because it is also giving you the references. You can add the reference in your slide so that it won't give you much worry about the plagiarism or your something like we are copying from somewhere and we are pasting it. You do no need to worry all about it. So it's just like you can copy this footnote or the reference and you can use it over anywhere. So this is how this works. So you can just copy this and make use of this. So there are a lot of prompts which you can use it. Which you can use it um, for this, like in the PowerPoint Copilot. So likewise, we can also use it for you can also use it for the Word. You can ask the excellent ideas, generative ideas for how to create a document. Like what is the document template you want? If you want a template document for the business process, if you want the template for any what to say, like a feedback form or something, you can also ask from that. So this is how the Copilot will be very easy and useful for helping. Apart from that, in Microsoft, like PowerPoint, you can also see the designer, which is what we got the answer from Nandeep and Jana. So this is what the Explore. It will give you an easy option to design your PPT in a better way. So you can utilize this for preparing your PPT. And my favorite thing is what this one, the smart art. Okay, so idea, you can create a smart art out of this to beautify your presentation in a better way. So that's all. Any questions you can ask me. Thank you so much for this opportunity. I thank Pune Tech Community and Smita and Nandip for this excellent opportunity. I have few more prompt. If you have time, like I can give you the prompts as well.
Yeah, sure. Please go ahead.
Yeah. Thank you so much. So here we can also ask for example, I am creating this particular content marketing, right? So if you want, finally, if you wanted to create some presentations, okay? Sorry, if you want to create some quiz, so you can type, let's create a quiz on the top for the above topic. Okay, about topics to entertain or to make the participants even more engaging. You know, you can just go ahead with the quiz topic. So quiz, it will also create some quizzes for you, questions. So it will also show you the answer, like how to how to like what is the question, what are the options you can ask for, and how you can be interactive with the questions you have. Okay, and also you can ask for some pros and cons. Like I need so give me the pros and cons points and cons for the predictive modeling in sales. So it will tell you like what are the pros and cons for that. Okay, like what's the it will give you, if you want it in a bullet points, you can also mention that. Like that, this is what the prompt, like how you give, accordingly the Copilot will reply you. So it is giving you the pros of predictive modeling, which is which is of the like you can use this. But anyhow, I request you to first read it, because sometimes you know it will give you some different meaning. So it will be great if you read it before you use it in your PowerPoint presentation. So if you have any queries, please you can ask me. So we can use Copilot for all the thing, but specifically we have to mention like I'm going to create a Word document for the business process, or I'm going to create a Word document for recording the invoice. So what is the content which I can add, or what are the fields I should add? So ask the Copilot. It will definitely help you out. So I'll be here in the meeting, so you can just ask me if you have any queries, or yes, on if you wanted to ask, maybe some key terms